Are you looking for a fun way to make movie nights at your house even more exciting? We might have a solution for that. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of this cute, adorable, portable projector. Let's get into it. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. So right now I just kind of have this propped up on a little table, but I thought I would show you guys. It does have HDMI, it does have USB-A input, and it does have input for either headphones or for an external speaker. It does also have Bluetooth, which we just tested, and it works with our Bluetooth speaker. It did come with an HDMI cable, and it comes with this pretty awesome remote. Now, I have all of the lights on in the house right now, and you can still see this pretty well on our screen. Like this, we'll turn the lights off in a minute to show you guys what it looks like. But this thing has a ton of options. The one thing I do want to note is it is manual for making it fit on your screen, which actually I didn't mind because we were able to really make it fill the screen pretty much all the way. Boom, the lights are off. So as I was saying, it is all manual. You can go in here for all of your image stuff, and you can pretty much adjust everything, the screen size, the zoom, and adjust where the edges of your screen are, and the focus, all of that. So it's all manual. It didn't take us long to set it up and make it look good, so that made me happy. What you're seeing here, this all came on it. Everything that you're seeing is already installed on it. Of course, I haven't logged into anything, but all of these are already installed. It does even come with live TV up at the top. You can slide over, and there's a ton of live TV stuff right on here already. So you can just come on here and find some free live TV to watch. That's kind of cool. Let me find something cool to put on there so I can show you what it looks like. Okay, so I've loaded up one of my videos so you guys can see just how cool this looks. This is pretty clear. This would be great for watching movies. Just making a fun movie night with a great big screen. I mean, of course, you know, you can also project this on the ceiling or a wall. You don't necessarily have to have one of the screens for it. Like, we do have one of the screens, which is nice. It does have audio, like the unit itself. It's down here. It does have audio. I'll turn it up a little bit just so you guys can kind of hear it. But yeah, so it does have audio that comes out of it. And honestly, it's not bad. It's pretty clear for what it is. So like if you were taking this and you were, you know, shining it on the back of your RV or something like that, the audio I think would be good enough. Or you could put headphones in, or you could connect it to a Bluetooth speaker. It's got all kinds of options. Yeah, I'm always nervous when I film these that it's not going to look as good on camera as it does in real life. But it does actually look really good. It's really clear. It's really bright. Of course, I pick the video with lots of whites and grays. Let me pick another video real quick. There's some color for you. A little bit more contrast in the white and gray with the snow. And a little bit more color. Yeah, this is bright. What do you think, hun? Bright and vibrant?
Definitely very bright.
Yeah.
Clear.
Yeah, we're going to have to watch a movie on it.
Big.
It's big, yeah. I know. I want to watch hockey on it.
Can we do that?
We could. And you can install more apps on it and things like that, which is really nice. This is really cool. I really like this. I think the dogs approve of it as well because Memphis is watching herself on TV. Oh, geez. Kira is as well. Kira's like, wait, you said my name? But Memphis is like, whoa, that's me on the TV. I also wanted to show you that on the remote, it does have a couple of the quick buttons to take you to the different apps. And then, like I said, you can load more apps as well. If you guys are looking for a fun little projector, easy, portable, super easy to use, super easy to set up, we recommend this.